The Lasair 3110 portable model comes with the ability to operate the instrument from the screen. We have displayed here the cumulative data that the instrument would be counting, or you can exchange that screen for one that would display the potentially a TRH probe values or the analog input values. You can also swap that out for a screen that displays differential and cumulative counts. You can swap the screen for different graphical displays, as well as print your sample over here if you need a hard copy. From here, you can program recipes, locations, alarms, settings. You can program the sample interval and time, number of samples you want to take from pressing the button in the upper corner. And you can also use the statistics mode to help classify your clean room if you know the size of your clean room and how many samples you need to be collecting. And the button in this corner will take you back to the home screen. At the bottom of the screen, we can see where we can start and stop the sample manually, as well as the blower, laser life, and battery level of the instrument. In addition to operating the portable instrument from the screen, you can program both instruments and collect data from both instruments through a TCP/IP software protocol. Specific to particle measuring systems, we offer FacilityNet, but something like Modbus would also work. Alternatively, you can export the data through the thumb drive export. It will come out as a CSV file that can then be analyzed through something like Excel. And for startup support, Particle Measuring Systems also offers a variety of applications engineers, including myself, who can help recommend sample location, sample number, and data analysis methods.